Hello, everyone. This is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, decorating on a budget. Now, in today's episode, I'm doing a get ready with me look. I have to go somewhere, so I thought I'd film the look that I'm doing for today. Now, I do simple, basic looks, to me at least. So I hope you enjoy this. I'm going to stop talking and we're going to kind of speed this up so you can see the whole look by the end. Never stop exploring. There's always something new at the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Now here's the finished look. Just a basic look to give my eyes a little pop. So tell me what you think of this simple makeup look down below. You know I enjoy reading your comments, and I will see you in the next episode.